to Anya's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make apple spice cupcakes. The ingredients are self-rising baking flour, sugar, apples, margarine, eggs, some vanilla sugar, allspice, clove, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg and salt. So first I'm going to cut 200 grams of margarine in small pieces and I'm gonna mix it with the sugar and the vanilla sugar. So now I'm gonna mix in the eggs. So when this is mixed, I'm gonna set this aside and make the dry mixture. So I have the self-rising flour. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, about half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ginger, and half a teaspoon of allspice, and just a little bit of the clove. I'm gonna mix this. And now I'm gonna sift this through the wet mixture. So now I'm gonna set this aside and prepare my apple. So I have 2 apples, I'm gonna peel them and cut them into cubes. So now I'm gonna mix in a little bit of flour so the apples won't sink to the bottom. And now I'm gonna mix this in with the batter. So now I'm gonna make the cupcakes. So I have my 2 cake pans and I'm gonna fill them with batter. So now I'm gonna put these in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. So the cupcakes are in the oven and now I'm gonna start with my buttercream. I'm gonna use flour, milk, powdered sugar, vanilla, margarine and caramel sauce. So I have the milk. So I put it together in a pan with the flour, which I'm gonna sift. I'm gonna mix this and bring this to a boil. So now it's boiling. So I'll put it on a lower heat and I'm gonna let it thicken. So now it's thick enough. I'm gonna put this into a bowl and let it cool to room temperature. So now the cupcakes are done, I'm gonna let them cool down. So now I'm gonna finish my buttercream. So I use 200 grams of margarine and 200 grams of powdered sugar, and I'm gonna mix that together. So when that is mixed, I'm gonna add the vanilla extract. So now I'm gonna mix in the cooled down flour and milk mixture. So now I have the basis for my buttercream, and I'm gonna add caramel sauce to taste. So now I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for about half an hour. So I put my buttercream into a piping bag, and I'm gonna pipe that onto the cupcake. So now I'm gonna put on some sprinkles to finish it. So this is the end result.